Chief Medical Officer in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Dr. Jacquiline Bisasor-McKenzie, is urging more Jamaicans to get vaccinated against COVID-19, especially pregnant women. Speaking at a recent virtual media brief, she shared that there is an increase in the number of pregnant women hospitalized with COVID-19. Dr. Bisasor-McKenzie says measures were put in place for fetal and maternal monitoring of pregnant women on COVID-19 wards. Meanwhile, a number of patients requiring high-flow oxygen, who require up to 60 liters of the gas per minute, has been on the rise.
And these are persons in late pregnancy or right around the delivery period, some of them in the postpartum after they have delivered period. We're seeing an increase in the number of patients with COVID at this time in this group. And this is not good, because what we have seen is that persons at this particular time in pregnancy, they tend to develop severe COVID.
The CMO says the number of seriously ill patients, which includes moderate, severe and critical categories, have also increased in the last 2 weeks.
Now, the severely ill persons and the critically ill persons, these are the persons that are going to demand more oxygen. And as these numbers increase, then we are going to have not just a challenge with bed occupancy, but also a challenge with oxygen supplies. Fortunately, this slide is showing that the number of persons that are on mechanical ventilation have not started to go up significantly over the last couple of weeks. Yes, we are seeing a slight increase, but not significantly so.